Did you know, kids, that the farm animals also have jobs? So come on, little kids, let's meet all the farm animals and know what they do for us. Kids, we have a cow here. That's a cow. And you know, cow gives us a lot of milk. Yes, kids, it's cow's job to give us a lot of milk and keep us healthy. And now we have a chicken. Kids, this is a chicken. And chicken's job is to give us eggs. Yes, kids, chicken gives us a lot of eggs to keep us strong and healthy. And here comes a sheep. Kids, this sheep is my best friend. And you know, a sheep's job is to give us a lot of wool to keep us warm in the winter. And that's a horse. Kids, this is a horse. And horses help us in the farm. They take us from here and there. They help us on the farm. And here comes a goat. Kids, this is a goat. And you know, just like a cow, goat also gives us a lot of milk. It's their job to give us milk every single day. Hey kids, do you want to move and dance like animals? Come on, little friends, let's see which animals are fast, jump high, and move like champions. Put on your shoes, kids. We are going. First up, we have a tiger. Kids, that's a tiger. And you know, tigers run super fast, and also they sneak quietly in the jungle. Can you sneak quietly into the room on your tippy toes? Do it, kids! Be on your tippy toes just like a tiger. Look here! We have a frog. Kids, that tiny friend is a frog. And you know, frogs jump really high and they love to live in ponds and lakes. Can you jump like a frog? Come on, kids, jump just like a frog. Kids, look who's hopping. That's a kangaroo. We have a kangaroo here. Kangaroos bounce and box hop in Australian bush. They bounce, bounce, and bounce all day long. Kids, can you bounce like a kangaroo? Come on, kids, bounce on your feet. We are kangaroos. And here comes an elephant. Kids, that's my friend, elephant. Elephants are really big. Have you ever seen an elephant? They are big, right? And you know, elephants march with big step. They stomp. Come on, kids, stomp like elephants. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Yes, kids, elephants stomp all day long. Look at this silly friend. That's a monkey. We have a monkey here. Monkeys love to swing from trees to trees. Kids, can you swing like monkeys? Try it. Hold on to the bar and swing back and forth, just like a monkey. Monkeys are funny, playful, and really smart. And here we have a cheetah. Kids, the fastest animal is the cheetah. Cheetah runs super fast across the grassland. They are speedy, strong, and fast. Can you run like a cheetah? Come on, kids, run faster. Just like this. And now you are a cheetah. You know, kids, farm animals are actually superheroes. Let's meet them and discover their amazing superpowers together. Look here, kids. This is a cow. Say it with me. Cow. Great. And you know, kids, cows have superpower. They give us a lot of yummy milk. Yes, kids, cow milk makes us strong and happy. This is their superpower. And now we have a chicken. Say it with me, kids. Chicken. And chicken superpower? They give us a lot of yummy eggs. Kids, eggs are full of protein to make us jump and play together. And chicken lays a lot of eggs for us. Hey, we have a sheep. Kids, this is a sheep. And you know, sheep's superpower is its fur. It gives us soft wool. Yes, kids, the sweater you wear in winter is made out of wool. So it's a superpower of a sheep to give us a lot of wool to keep us warm and cozy in the winter. Now we have a goat. Can you say goat? That's a goat. And guess what, kids? Goats give us a lot of milk as well, just like a cow. But goat's milk, it helps us make a lot of yummy cheese and butter. Look here, kids. That's a duck. Say it with me. Duck. Great. And duck superpower is also giving us a lot of eggs. Yes, kids. Duck gives us a lot of eggs so we can eat them and have a healthy life together. Here comes a horse. Kids, this is my best friend, Horse. And horse? Kids, they are really strong. They are actually superheroes. They help farmers carry heavy things and run really fast. You can go horse riding. Did you know, kids? The jungle is full of amazing animals. Come on, little kids, let's go on a wild adventure together and meet all the wild animals there. Look who's here! That's a tiger! Can you say tiger? Tiger! Kids, these tigers have orange fur with black stripes on their body. They're really strong and super fast. Can you roar like a tiger? That's how tiger roar. Kids, tigers are really scary. Wow, kids, look here. We have a hippo. A hippopotamus. Kids, hippos make a funny sound. Hey, that's a hippo. They like to stay in water and mud all day long. And you know, kids, hippos have big mouth and tiny ears. That's a hippo. Hey, I see a deer. Can you say deer? That's a deer. Kids, deers make soft sound. Yay! And they have beautiful antlers on their head. Deers can run pretty fast and jump really high. That's a deer. Oh, I see a tall animal. That's a giraffe. Kids, giraffe is the tallest animal on earth. They have a long neck and long legs. Can you say giraffe? That's a giraffe. They eat leaves from the tallest trees. Oh, look here, kids. I see a tiny friend. That's a squirrel. Can you say squirrel? It's a squirrel, kids. And you know, squirrels make clattering sound, just like... Yes, kids, they love to eat nuts and acorns. And they run, climb, and jump super fast, just like superheroes. Uh-oh, I see a crocodile. Kids, this is my friend, the crocodile. Can you say crocodile? Crocodiles snap their big mouth. Snap, snap, snap. They have big mouth, kids. They have strong tails and really sharp teeth. And they love to swim all day. That's a crocodile. Great job, little friends. You met all the wild animals with me today. I had so much fun with you guys. See you next time. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.